How to use Walmart gift card online for Canada. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can use your Walmart gift card online for Canada, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Canadian website is actually a different, because the normal Walmart website is walmart.com, but for Canada you have to go to walmart.ca, which is the Canadian web address, right? So I'll also make sure to drop a link below, which is walmart.ca. And now that you have a gift card with you and now you want to use it for your products that you want to purchase, well, the process to redeem it and then use your Canadian Walmart gift card is also actually very simple. All you need to do is just find the products that you want to add and buy and then add them to your cart. In my case, I've already done that, so I'm going to skip that. I also assume that you can do that yourself. So just go to the cart icon from the top right hand side. As you can see, we're going to go to the cart page. Now you want to fill in all of your checkout details, right, such as how many products you want to order and so on. I'll just select proceed to checkout. It will give you the option to select a pickup or a delivery or a shipping method, and then after that just select continue to checkout again. It will also ask you to choose a delivery slot, right? So you can see I've actually entered my delivery address, my shipping address as well. And now under the payment section is where we will use our gift card. So by default you can see you're under credit card and that you have to add a new debit or credit card. But to use your Walmart Canada gift card, all you have to do is just select Walmart Canada gift card over here, and then right over here you can see a new slot has opened up where you basically need to enter the gift card number that you want to use. Once you enter the gift card number, you might also want to select the pin of that gift card, and then once you've done that, all you need to do is just click on the apply gift card button. If your detail is actually valid, this gift card is going to be successfully applied to purchase this product right over here. And hope this video helped you. If it did help you on how you can use your Walmart Canada gift card, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.